Will AI replace programmers? Or will it make them more powerful than ever before? This question is on everyone's mind, from coding bootcamp students to senior software engineers. The short answer: don't panic. AI isn't here to take your job. It's here to give you superpowers. Let's break down why. First, we need to understand what programming really is. It's not just about typing code. It's about problem solving. It's just about understanding human needs and translating them into a logical set of instructions a computer can follow. At its core, programming is an act of creativity, logic, and deep thinking. A programmer isn't just a code monkey. They're an architect, a designer, and a problem solver all rolled into one. They have to think about the big picture, consider edge cases, and build systems that are robust, scalable, and easy to maintain. Now, what about AI? When we talk about AI in this context, we're usually referring to machine learning, and more specifically, large language models. These models are incredibly powerful. They've been trained on billions of lines of code and text from across the internet. They can spot patterns, generate code snippets, and even write entire functions based on a simple prompt. Their strength is pattern recognition and data processing on a massive scale. But here's the key: they don't understand context or intent the way a human does. They don't know why a feature is being built, who the end user is, or what the long-term business goals are. They're amazing at generating the how, but they're clueless about the why. This brings us to the great debate: programmers versus AI. But framing it as a competition is the wrong approach. It's not a battle, it's a partnership. Think of it like this: a human programmer brings context, creativity, and strategic thinking. They understand the business problem that needs solving. AI, on the other hand, brings incredible speed and efficiency. It can handle the repetitive, tedious tasks that used to eat up hours of a developer's day. So, how is AI actually changing the world of programming right now? We're already seeing it everywhere. AI tools are acting as incredibly smart assistants. For example, AI can generate boilerplate code in seconds. Need a basic web server setup in a new language? An AI can spit that out instantly, saving you from searching through old projects or documentation. They're also fantastic for debugging. Instead of spending an hour trying to find a missing comma or a typo, you can paste your code into an AI tool and ask, "What's wrong with this?" It will often find the error immediately. AI can also help with learning new technologies. If you're trying to understand a complex library, you can ask an AI to explain specific functions or provide simple usage examples. It's like having a senior developer on call 24/7 to answer your questions. This doesn't replace the programmer. It frees them up to focus on the more important, high-level tasks. So what does the future look like for programmers in an AI-driven world? The role is definitely evolving. The demand won't be for coders who can just write simple functions. The demand will be for software engineers who can think at a higher level. Skills like system design, software architecture, and complex problem-solving will become more valuable than ever. The programmer of the future won't be spending their time on low-level implementation details. Instead, they'll be the ones directing the AI. They'll be defining the problem, designing the overall structure of the application, and then using AI tools to accelerate the building process. They'll be the visionaries and the project managers, guiding the AI to bring their ideas to life. Your value will shift from writing code to designing systems and solving problems. In the end, AI is not a replacement for programmers. It's the most powerful tool we've ever had. It automates the tedious and empowers the creative. The programmers who will be left behind are the ones who refuse to adapt. But those who embrace AI, who learn how to use it effectively, will find themselves more productive, more creative, and more valuable than ever before. So don't fear AI, learn it, master it, and use it to build the future. Thanks for watching, and if you found this helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more content like this. See you in the next one.